ponytail. I got a ponytail. I got a ponytail. I got a ponytail.
You happy boy? Whoop. Here we go. Look at you. Look at you. Thank you.
I'm super happy I won HOH, but this is going to be a very stressful week because
Thanks.
I have to deal with everyone in this house. And Chloe and Suri both think that the other one is the obvious.
You're so cute.
No, no, bite me. Bite this. Bite this, not me. No, my skin. You like my skin, eh? Mm-hmm. Better boy. In here, nobody come in.
Pino, you little turkey.
I tell you now, put not button out.
I can't do that one.
Jalapeno.
It's all good.
Gentle kisses.
Then next one.
He's like, I haven't seen her in so long. Gentle kisses, Pino.
That was a nice one. Mm-hmm. Good boy. Good boy. Like a new house.
Pino. Did you do this? I think you're guilty. You didn't wipe the evidence off. Yep. That's a good one. All blackberries. Hey? Guilty. Yep, let me look. That's so cute.